Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Malibu. Now Apple Chevrolet is offering $1,000 in savings off this 1LT model. This model has never been in any accidents before and only has 38,000 miles on it. This vehicle does come with our alloy rims. Now when we get in this vehicle, we can see that we do have our standard Bose audio system, jet black leather seating, a back seat that's fairly large, a Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats, and even cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.